Okay, so now I'm going to try to start it up. So weird because I had this thing completely apart down to the last nut and bolt. I mean I had this thing. You would have never thought this thing was ever going to be put together again, but so give it a shot. I have no idea what to expect. The baffles are not in the muffler, so it's going to be louder than hell. Alright, let's turn it on. I got this little thing rigged up for the dynamo because I couldn't find another ignition switch, so I did my own little rigging. Chokes on. Oh God. I may be sorely disappointed. Okay. Sound like it wanted to go, baby. Oh yeah. Hold on now. She wants to start. She totally wants to start. It's not idling though. I gotta adjust the idle. Horrible mufflers. Alright, well, she starts.